Hey, YouTube. We decided to run down here, me and Carver family. We'll make a few casts. The rain's almost here, but we're going to see if we can have any luck, make a few casts, maybe get a little short video in. But this is something we're going to start doing a lot of. Today we're going to plug around a little bit for some bass. So let's make a few casts, see if anything's striking. Hang on. We got Carver family down there. Say hello, Carver. Got a thumbs up. Yeah. Like I say, we should have got out and done this morning. Yeah. There he is. Fish on. We have got a video, y'all. So it's not a loss, Carver. We did catch a fish. It's out here trying to rain on it. Throwing the little tube baits. I've caught a lot of bass on those things, but at least we got a fish. We'll have a video. Nice little bass, Carver.
about big as the treble hooks. It ain't like down there.
Yeah. Nice little bass, Carver. There you go. Yeah. All right, y'all, that's a wrap. Carver family, we came down here, thought we had a wrap earlier, but we stopped at another place. Carver family caught a pretty good little old bass. Put it on me, but we wound up in this rain, gloomy, windy day. We caught 2 fish, so hey, it's a video. Thanks for watching. Treat everybody the way you want to be treated. Go to Carver family, check his channel out, hit the buttons. Coach Plays, check his channel out and hit the buttons. And be sure to check out Catfish Terry and hit all those buttons and bells, y'all. Going to do a lot of fishing this year, but till next time, treat everybody the way you want to be treated. Love everybody. Yeehaw. Hey, keep it realistic too. Realistic fishing. Go check out Realistic Fishing. Till next time, yeehaw.